Noohle Trade ERP Software, boosting production management efficiency. Managers in production enterprises face a myriad of complex management issues daily. How to quickly and accurately derive data to assist production enterprises in rational stocking manufacturing is a crucial question. Noohle Trade ERP Software's digitization and integration provide an excellent solution to this problem. 1. Digitization. Noohle's digitization allows users to access the data anytime, breaking down information barriers between departments and employees. Its BI intelligent reports use data mining, drilling, and visualization, enabling to analyze data from various perspectives, such as product, market, and other dimensions, facilitating intelligent decision-making. 2. Integration. Noohle is an all-in-one solution, integrating the core functionalities including domestic ERP, foreign trade ERP, domestic CRM, foreign trade CRM, OA, FI, BI, and more. With just one software, businesses can address all their needs. Employees can save time and effectively improve work efficiency.